Eric DIY here with another great review. Post office one. I like to put my bike lock in there, and I also have some hand sanitizer. I had the letters in the main compartment, and I had the water bladder ready to go, and it was a 6-mile trip, and it went great with this whole thing. It was excellent to use. It's my go-to backpack now for when I'm making small trips with the e-bike around town and stuff, and I want to carry things. I also rode with Zach today on it. It came in handy because he had a Gatorade on him and he had nowhere to put it, so we put it in my backpack while we rode bikes together, and it worked out great. So overall, the Chameleon Sports Hydration Backpack, it is awesome. I will be using it for a long time. Definitely find it useful whenever I'm using my e-bike in town, traveling around, getting chores done. The hydration part of it is just a bonus. You don't need it in there if you don't want it, but it comes with it. It does excellent. It has little pockets for keys, big pockets for like mail or postage that I'm going to bring out. There's enough room to put my bike lock, and this weighs about 3 pounds, by the way, so it supports, you know, the weight that you need. I also had a bottle of hand sanitizer in there, and it has reflective devices to help keep you safe while riding out there in the evenings. So overall, it's just been an excellent hydration pack. Pros about the Chameleon Sports Hydration Pack. Well, I have to tell you, it might look small in size because it's compact, but it actually has more features than other hydration packs I've used in the past, hence why it's my #1 now. It has a hip strap if you need it for extra support. I usually don't even need that. Nice breathable design on the straps, very high quality. Very elasticy too, so it gives with bumps when you're riding over harder terrain, shall we call it. I love that it has the bungee cords. You can tighten on whatever you want. If you want, you can put a helmet in here. You can do whatever you want. I use it for my bike lock because I have no other place to really put it. I had nothing fall out of it. I even have enough room to put a little bit more in there in the back pocket. For packages and mail that I've had to send out, it keeps everything dry and ready to go. I like that it has this nice padded airflow design in the back. The hydration pack is awesome and its own sealable thing here. And honestly, there's a good amount of room for being such a compact hydration backpack here. Cons about the Chameleon Sports Hydration Backpack. I wish they included a cleaning out brush for the hydration part of the pack here. It'd be nice just to have that accessory so that you can clean it out when you need to. As you know, these straws, if you leave the water in there, which you don't really want to do, but if you have to get in there to clean it out, you need some brushes to go up there. And I'm sure they sell kits online that you can have brushes to clean this out with, but it'd be nice if they included it. The emergency whistle, yeah, it works, but it's not the loudest, and it's a little awkward to use at first. You really learn how to really blow into that thing. It's not as easy as I've seen. That's about the only cons I could really find with Chameleon Sports Hydration Backpack. If you're looking for a hydration backpack for sports, cycling, hiking, this might be the one for you. It's the best one I've seen. The material is really rugged on it. It looks really good too. It's very stylish. I might be a sucker though, because my favorite color is blue. I can highly recommend the Chameleon Sports Hydration Backpack for my cycling duties. If I'm in town bringing mail to the post office back and forth, I'm just trying to get out of the house while doing chores during this coronavirus thing. And it's worked out great. It's held everything I needed. Put your kids' drinks in there if they're biking with you. We did that today with Zach. It's just an excellent product. I would give it 5 stars. If you'd like to purchase your Chameleon Sports Hydration Backpack, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.